Water-repellent soil is one of the biggest problems facing farmers in Western Australia. Some 5 million hectares Australia-wide are categorised as non-wetting soils. 1.5 million of those are in the south coastal area of WA, and to make matters worse, the problem will increase as more clover and lupins are grown on sandy soils. Non-wetting or water-repellent soils can cause serious crop establishment problems. Poor or delayed emergence of the crop, staggered emergence of the crop or weeds, poor efficiency of soil-applied herbicides, and the risk of increased wind erosion are all problems associated with non-wetting soils. Water-repellent soils are usually sandy soils with low clay contents. It's caused by an accumulation of hydrophobic organic matter in the surface cultivation layer, that is, the top 10 centimetres. Organic matter associated with legumes is particularly water-repellent and can increase the water repellence problem. Water repellents and the action of wetting agents can be shown graphically with a simple field test. Water ponds and doesn't soak into the soil when a soil is water repellent. However, when wetting agent is added, the water soaks into the soil. Previous trial work has shown that furrow sowing, cultivating in the rain and applying large amounts of clay or some lime have reduced the impact of water repellents. The key to successful crop establishment of non-wetting soils is the seeding method. Trials using furrow seeding, flexi-coils, press wheels and wetting agents are being conducted on the south coast, where the problem is causing significant economic loss. Department of Agriculture Advisor Bill Crabtree is supervising research work at Wellstead.
What we're doing here is comparing wetting agents at different rates, with and without press wheels, and of course we're comparing that with conventional cultivation, where we seed on the side of the ridge. Now, here we're seeding in the bottom of the furrow, and what we're then doing is following behind the furrow with a press wheel. Then immediately after the press wheel, we're putting wetting agents down. The rates that we've been trying are between about half a litre up to about 16 litres to the hectare, and we're finding some good results with those lower rates, provided that we're using press wheels. Without press wheels, we find that we need to use a higher rate of wetting agent in order to get the same sort of result.
In the past, press wheels were pneumatic rubber, but recently cast press wheels have been tried with good results. The last row of tines is lifted clear of the ground and the press wheels should be directly behind. They make a V-shaped furrow and the seed grows here rather than on the side of the furrow. Wetting agent follows and ensures that the water gets to the seed. A combination of press wheels, wetting agent and furrow seeding seems to produce the best results. If all these are done correctly, the chances of establishing a successful cereal or lupin crop are improved. The Department of Agriculture is researching the management of these soils. Wetting agents, the application of those agents, investigations into clay and lime and the seeding method are all important, and the research is continuing throughout the state.